all. Today we are going to discussing about the topic online marketing. First of all, we have to know the meaning of marketing. Marketing is simply the process of transferring goods and services from producers to consumers. When these activities are conducted via online or with the help of internet, we can call it as an online marketing. Online marketing is a set of tools and methodologies used for promoting products and services through the internet. It includes a wider range of marketing elements than traditional business marketing. It offers many advantages over this traditional marketing. Then comes what are the objectives of this internet marketing or the online marketing. First and foremost objective is to increase the direct sales. The primary objective of is to increase the direct sales. Direct sales is a measure to determine the return on investment. The next objective, the communication, that is good communication between the marketer or the company and the customer. Then reduce the cost of acquiring new customers. New customers cost can be reduced. Then keep the customer engaged in a brand, that is customer sustainability in a particular brand. Then conduct research activities. Innovative products can be identified with the help of this research activities. These are the main objectives of the online marketing. Then comes what are the importance, why the online marketing is important. First, the more customers are attracted to this online marketing, then better visibility. The online marketing is tangible in nature, then improved local presence. That is, with the help of this IP address, the location can be identified. Then increased authority. That is, marketer or the company have the authority to decide the matters relating to this online marketing. Then in-person visitors. In-person visitors means each and every customer can log on to personally log on to the online marketing sites and they can conduct the dealings. Then long-lasting relationship. Customer and the marketer has a long-lasting relationship. Then comes types of online marketing. The first and foremost, first type of online marketing is search engine marketing or SEM. Search engine marketing means it refers to increasing the web presence through the use of keywords and searchability. That is, search engine is a web-based information retrieval system that enables users to locate information on web. Search engine has three parts: Spider, index program and search engine software. Spider collects the data on the web and reading the web pages. Index program organizes the data and the search engine software searches indexed data for relevant information. Then second one is search engine optimization. It is a term used to describe how best to use networks and tools of social media to increase a company's internet presence. That is, it only organize the listing through the search engine. Then comes podcasting. A podcast is a clip of audio or video content that is broadcast over the internet using compressed files. The content may include radio shows or educational programs, etc. Podcasts can be found all over the web. Most newspapers, TV channels and radio sites offer podcasts of this program. Then comes social media marketing. That is a marketing with the help of social networking system, social medias such as social sharing services, multimedia, blogs, etc. Then affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, a partner who is called affiliate promotes products or services from another company. Three types of affiliates markets are there. Then first one, pay per click. Pay per click. If a customer click on the provided link or banner on affiliate's website and buys a product, affiliate receives commission. Then second one, pay per lead. Affiliate get a commission for each person who fill out a web-based form with his contact information. Then pay per sale means affiliate earns certain percentage of product price as a commission. Then comes email marketing. Email marketing means contact customers with the help of emails. Two types of email marketing: standalone campaign and a newsletter. In standalone campaign, emails have certain retention periods used to promote new products or products for one season. Then newsletter, useful information for customers and are sent to them at least once a month. This is newsletter. But two types of email marketing are there: standalone campaign and also the newsletter. Then comes the content marketing. Content marketing involves the creation of content to increase influence on the consumer's opinion of a product. These are the different types of online marketing. First one, SEM, that is search engine marketing, then search engine optimization, then podcasting, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and also the content marketing. We can move on to the next topic. What are the components of this online marketing? First component is website design, that is designing a website is the first component. Then blog is a place where a person can freely express their opinion. Then pay-per-click, as already discussed, that is advertisers posts are based on the amount of click their online advertisement receive. It is based on the popularity of the subject matter. Then email marketing, as we said. So these are the components of this online marketing: website design, blog, pay-per-click, email marketing. Then next the strategies are the SEM, that is search engine marketing, content marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. These all are discussed earlier. Then what are the advantages of this online marketing? First one, global reach. Because of this use of internet, global accessibility is provided. Then 24/7 marketing. Then low cost, social media. Then building long-lasting relationship between this customer and the marketer. Then ease of personalization. These are the major advantages of online marketing. Then what are the disadvantages of online marketing? First disadvantage is that skill and training is required to conduct online marketing. Then it is so time consuming. High competition is there. Then complaints and feedback as disadvantages. Then main disadvantage is security and privacy issues. Then comes the blog marketing. What is blog marketing? It is any process that publicizes or advertises a website, business, brand or service via the medium of blogs. In blogging, we can post content on website and engage user or customers. It is a way to promote the content. Blog marketing is a long-term strategy. It is a highly effective marketing method that brings incredible results. What are the types of blogs? Blogs are, first one, personal blogs. It is ongoing diary or commentary by an individual. Second one, corporate and organizational blogs. These are used to enhance the communication and the culture. Then reverse blogs, written by several authors on a topic. It may be open for anyone to write. These are different types of blogs: personal blogs, corporate and organizational blogs, and reverse blogs. So in today's session we discussed about the online marketing, the different types of online marketing, strategies of online marketing, components and advantages and disadvantages of online marketing, and also the blog marketing and what are the types of blogs. Okay, thank you.